my channel where we do some bite-sized, easy Scottish Gaelic that is accessible to all ages with me, Lauren, and today we're going to do the weather. So we typically use two words when describing the weather, and one of those is amishad, 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 and the other word is inchiche, inchiche, inchiche. So when we're asking someone how is the weather, we would say Kimeraha an amishad, Kimeraha an amishad, Kimeraha an amishad. Of course, you can always change that to inchiche if that's what you prefer. It is just a matter of preference. You could say Kimeraha chiche, Kimeraha chiche, Kimeraha chiche. Now, if you wanted to ask someone how is the weather in a location, you could say Kimerahan amishad in location, Kimerahan amishad in location, Kimerahan amishad in. Now, it's exactly the same if you prefer to use in chiche, Kimerahan chiche in. Kimerahan chiche aunin. Kimerahan chiche aunin. Following on from that, you could say avail-y. Is it? Avail-y. 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 So is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Now if you were to do the negative of that, you could say nacheli. Nacheli. Nacheli, and that means isn't it? So if you were to ask someone, isn't it windy? Isn't it sunny? Isn't it rainy? If I were to respond to that, I could say chaneli, 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 and that would mean it isn't. So I could say it isn't rainy, it isn't sunny, it isn't windy, chaneli. And if I wanted to ask, is there rain? Is there wind? Is there sun? I could say avail on. Avail on. Avail on. Now our next video we will give some examples of different types of weather, so make sure to subscribe if you would like to follow for more.